rice, they got to reach over, isn't it?
Yeah.
Choose your seat.
Wisely.
Yeah, exactly. Everyone's like, which is the buffest mango?
Tapos na ito, te? Tapos na dito? I'm massaging the rice. Good intention with the rice. Yes.
Hilot, innit? Give it
Hilot
some
with the
hilot.
rice.
What?
Cotswold.
I thought it was Cotswolds. So now we've kind of packed some of our stuff into bags, and then tomorrow I'm gonna do more preps during the day, and then leaving to go to the farm in Gloucestershire. Gloucestershire. That's how the British pronounce it. Not Gloucestershire. Cotswolds. Cotswold? World. Wold. Why?
That's the name, the area.
But is it a world though?
No, Wolds.
So there's no R.
No,
Cotswold.
it's an S on
That
the
is
end.
not a world.
It's an S on the end.
Oh, Cotswolds. Good morning. It is 9 o'clock in the morning. Actually, we've been up since what time? 7:30. As you know, you can't start without a coffee. Hi guys, so we're gonna use this to cook our sapin. It needs to be dried, and I need to put some oil in it so the sapin won't stick. So add this. That should be good. Diva. So we're gonna pour this down here. Mwah.
Love you, Mama.
Love you too.
Bye.
Mwah. Be good to Lula, okay? Oh, we didn't even video Lula. Packed to the brim. What are we having? Cornish pasties.
Passion. English empanada.
English empanada. And there's some more here because we haven't had dinner yet, and we're off. Gosh, it's 7 o'clock on our way to Cotswold, and let's go. No, driving not ready.
I'm eating.
He's eating. So, this is the toilet, Lima toilet.
Okay.
And then we have to go through this way. Yeah.
Drop the bag and then sit down and take your wedding.
Wow, look at this. Yeah? Milk. Got our oatly milk breakfast. The Cornish pastry. Adrian calls it English empanadas. Got the 3-in-1. Oh, teaspoon. It's not sponsored by Nescafe. It's not.
Or ginsters. With the English empanada.
Or Oatly. This is Cornish pasties from Cornwall. To look at him to make sure it's the right price.
I'm so efficient.
Well, you
Filming.
chopped all of this.
Chopped away everything. You're just filming me move the box. There you go.
And this is to do. So we've got our fruits already nicely chopped here, ready for our Kamayan. And laing, I'm boiling the laing first, 2 times, and then I'm gonna cook it with coconut after. And then this is the mongo. So we're doing the barbecue.
That's right. Oh, am I walking with you?
Go and open it.
Oh.
Filipino traditions we have usually like in parties or
Should I start this way?
any special occasions. We usually put an offering in the altar, whatever the religion is. So you have a bit of everything for our ancestors. So. Goodness. Kakain ng ano dito, ladle o whatever.
The ano? Ano ka ng ano?
Yung
You know?
kwan.
Yung si Juan?
Yung kwan.
Yung ganon?
Yan, basta.
Kahit yung mga di ba yung nakabaka?
We're going to have a shower, and it's quite a bit of a walk. I mean, it's not that far, but at night that's really far when it's dark and you don't really want to be out in the woods, you know, do you?
I don't.
Is the shower. Shower, there's no roof. This is where you shower basically. And that's it. So we just had our shower. We're walking back to our cabin now, but we didn't change in there because it's too cold with the outdoor shower and our deodorant for our kilikili, that means underarm, isn't dry yet, so we haven't really changed. We're not butt naked, but we just added our pajama back on. It is actually our last morning here. We're leaving just before lunchtime because my mom will have to leave to go home and our kids will be alone, so we have to go back ASAP. We're heating our soup and we'll have it with some bread. Should I toast this bread?
How?
With a frying pan.
No, you can toast it on the open fire as well.
How?
Put it on top of the thing.
No, it doesn't work like that.
It does.
No, it
It's
doesn't.
a fire. There's a fire there.
Okay, I want to see you do it then.
I'm doing this.
No. How's your finger? Still there?
Still there.
Where's your spoons?
Burnt. My spoons. I only need one.
Where's your spoon? Very hot though.
Burn my mouth and my finger.
Yeah.
Alright. Is that more legumes?
Oh, now we're gonna fight in the car.
Great.
Cheers.
Well done.
Hold on to you.
Proud of you.
Proud of you.
Oh, I do.
Everything else I didn't do.
Mm.
Bye, Cotswold.
There's no R.
Bye, Cotswold. Vlogger ganon, look.
Oh, diba?
I'm gonna take a photo, a video of me taking some of this.
Wow, dynamics.
What is that? A video?
Ayaw na maganda.
You
See?
see?
Ayaw na maganda.
The way you're bitten to that.
You should I send it to you. Ayaw na maganda.
We finally left the cabin. Bye. We're gonna head to the rest of the group to say bye, and then we are off back to London. But first we're going to go somewhere here because it's like a outdoor venue for a wedding, and we thought it's a cute little place and we'll want to take a picture. So adorable, isn't it? Look at the heart at the back. Yeah. Not you. Oh my god. Oh, I think that's a perfect one.
Lovely. Oh,
What do you think of our trip, Ed?
it was fun.
Did you enjoy it?
It was naturalistic, animalistic, spiritualistic. How about you?
I enjoyed it. I wish I wasn't working though.
It's fine
Yeah.
there.
Oh, okay, okay.
This bag, do you need it?
No.